than in this area where you do have some back here, but as an overall portion of the load, it's relatively small. Also, these animal areas all have fairly high outdoor air loads, and so that dominates over the envelope loads that bear on this space. In these areas, you have different internal loads, you have different system types for your offices and your front areas, and so the systems will be performed differently, so you want to treat those separately. And then these back areas, again, you have different internal load characteristics, and so those are zoned differently as well. You'll notice that each of these zones has a lot of physical rooms included in each zone, and it's often tempting, especially for newer modelers, to overzone. That instead of having, I've got, I think, 9 zones here, they might have 25 or 30 zones in this building. And the problem with that is that it increases the complexity, there's lots more places to make errors, and it doesn't really improve your results very much, if at all. So making that zoning decision is a big part of the process. Once you've done that, then you can import the AutoCAD drawing into eQuest. This is the eQuest engine. And then you just trace over that drawing based on how you outline your zones. And then that gives you your zones. And then once you do that, then you start putting in all your thermal characteristics. You start with the construction. What are the materials we're going to use for the walls? Your brick, your stucco, your gypsum board, concrete for the floor, whatever you're going to use for the roof. And generally that's specified in terms of how much of it you will have, what does it weigh, and what's the thermal conductivity of it. And